Hi, this is Subhi here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make watermelon juice. It's a perfect drink for the summer. Outside is 90 degrees. It's very crazy hot. So you can try this juice. It's very good. It's a healthier drink. Also it's a hydrating, refreshing. Try it. We are going to add watermelon, lime, mint leaves. Sugar is optional. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. So let's start our watermelon juice. Ta-da-da. So for making this watermelon juice, we already have the watermelon chunk here. We cut it and keep it here so that avoid the lengthy video. So we are adding 2 mint leaves in this. It's very good. Try it. Very good. So let's make juice first. All right.
Okay, so for this watermelon juice, we're also going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar.
1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon?
About 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. Also 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. This is lime juice actually. Okay, then you just mix it. I'll also add some lime pieces, thin lime pieces. Where is our lime pieces? Yeah. Here we go. Okay. So then you can strain it here.
And we're going to add in the watermelon juice now.
Okay. Oh, good. Very good. Look. Good job. Mix it again. So the sugar is optional. If you don't want to add sugar, you don't have to. Also the mint leaves. But trust me, mint leaves is very good. When you when you make the watermelon juice, you can put 1 or 2 leaves. It's very good taste. And now your watermelon juice is ready. You want to try it?
Yes.
I have it mine here. Oh, so good. So refreshing. Very good. How you like it?
It's so good.
So good means what?
It's refreshing and it's so hot outside. It's a perfect drink for today.
And how you feel the mint leaves?
It's
a good flavor?
Yeah, you can taste the flavor,
Uh-huh.
but it's not too strong and it's so soothing.
Yeah, you can put 1 or 2 leaves, not much leaves inside, inside the watermelon, whenever you make the drink. Okay guys, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Until we see the next video, bye bye.